guys, so I have the Ipsy Glam bag plus for the month of June. I'm so excited. It just came in the mail right now and I was recording quite a few videos, so I was like, let me go ahead and take advantage. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open, and it has a bright yellow foam in there. And the first thing in here is something that I picked up as something extra because you can add on to your box if you want to, and it's the Wander Catch the Light Highlighter and a Glotion. This is the shade Celestial. I don't know if they have more than one shade, but I had gotten a mini of this and really liked it. It's very similar to the Charlotte Tilbury, what's it called? The Flawless filter, but this is more just like one shade, so it won't fit everybody, but that is what it looks like. It's just a very glowy kind of shade, and that's what it looks like. And I really enjoy this underneath my foundation to give me like that extra J-Lo glow, if you know what I mean. So I really enjoyed this, and then I saw it was like $12, and then I looked up the price and it's like $34, so I was like, that is a good steal. And it doesn't have any kind of smell of it or anything, but I really like the little mini one I got. I think it was in an Ipsy bag when I was still subscribed to Ipsy, so I was like, yes, come home to mama. So this is the little, oh God, you can tell I'm in a hurry because I need to go pick up my son. This is the little booklet called the Welcome to the Block Party. So this is the one for June, and it shows in here the products that you get. So first thing in here, oh my God, holy crap, look at this. Yes, come through. I paid $25 for this out of my own pocket, and I have to say, up till now I have not regretted upgrading. Holy crap, look at how huge this thing is. This is 1.7 ounces. This is Sunday Riley, because we know Sunday Riley is expensive. This is the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydrating Cream. So yes, so glad that this is in here. This is worth $65. It is supposed to, what does it say here? It has vitamin C, and it's supposed to help skin damage, brighten your skin, and add a dewy, luminous glow. So yes, come through, Sunday Riley. Let me see if this has any kind of smell or anything like that. It just, oh God, it smells like citrusy. It just, yes, so happy. And soon I will be getting my Allure box too, so watch out for that. The only thing is that I was looking kind of for a spatula, because here it has a little spatula and I don't see it in here, so mwah. Okay, so next thing in here is the Trazique Matte Color Shiny Balm. This is a lip crayon in Belize, and this is what it looks like. I'm not even gonna open this up. I'll probably just give this away. The shade is this shade right here. I'm not gonna swatch it or anything. I'm just gonna give it away because I got one of these in a, I wanna say a, oh God, is it a FabFitFun? Oh no, wait, this one's a different one. This one is more rounded on the tip. Okay, so this one I will use. The one that I got had like a thinner, like flat laid tip, and it was impossible to use around my lips, so I will use this one. Okay, so this is a very beautiful like mauve-y shade. I don't think I have the other one. I think I decluttered it, yeah, because it was like a flat weird shape and I didn't really care for it. And then on this side you have the little lip balm, so maybe they reformulated it, because I'm pretty sure it was the same one, but I did not like the shape of it for my lips. It was just very hard to use. So this is nice, and this is worth $25, so that is the price itself. Then the next thing in here is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. This is worth $39, and this is the little box. It says Nourish, Illuminate, Brighten, and Refine. And really nice size. And oh, okay, it's kind of hard to get off. So really thick kind of mud mask kind of clay. Hopefully this will help brighten, because I'm starting to get like, I don't know if you guys can see them there, you probably can. They might look like freckles, but they're actually age spots from just like taking in sun throughout the years. I'm almost 40 now, which is crazy to even think of. But trust me, you will get there too. Next thing in here is the Tetris and Ipsy Block Party Eyeshadow Palette. This is $24. Oh, this is so cute. So this is the shade that I got. It's a purple Tetris on the front. And these are the shades. Oh, those look so pretty. So I have not tried Ipsy's eyeshadows, I don't think. So let me go ahead and just do a swatchy swatch. These are not swatching that great, especially that blue. Let me dig my finger in there a little bit more. But I mean, they look nice. I would definitely have to try them, play with them, see how they, you know, test out and wear and blend. And those are the bottom three. So you get a beautiful pink purple, you get 4 shimmers and 2 mattes in there. And the packaging is super cute. It's kind of like Tetris themed. I kind of like this more. I would have preferred this on the outside than this, but it is what it is. I don't know if they have more or if there's just that one palette. So not really sure, but that's $24. And then the last thing in here is the Meli. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that, but this is the name right there. And it is a Above and Beyond mascara, and it says that it's supposed to give like a curve, and the wand itself, just by the picture, has like a really big curve right there. So that's what it looks like. We'll definitely test these out. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me down below. I have a Disney Instagram if you like Disney, and then my makeup one. I kind of share with you guys in my stories, like when I'm trying new products, how they go, how they wear, things like that. So definitely we'll try that in there, and we'll update you guys on the rest of the things. But I really like this month's box, and like that I was able to snatch this baby up for $12. And yeah, that is an awesome box. I have to say, out of everything, I'm most excited for this baby right there. I can't wait to try this on my face. And everything else is nice. It's fun to try. So we'll definitely keep you updated on the rest of them if I fall in love with any of them or if I just declutter. So yeah, so that is it for the June box. Sorry, I kind of rushed through this. I have to go pick up my son. But yeah, I kind of wanted to have this video out for you guys ASAP. So yeah, let me know what you guys got in your box. And I don't know if it has like which edition of the box I got. I could never tell on Ipsy, but I don't think I can get in. Yeah, it doesn't say which edition I got or which version I got of the box, but I really enjoyed this month's box. It's all like fun stuff that I'm really excited to try. So let me know your thoughts below. Are you excited for this month's Ipsy Glam Plus? It's so weird to say that. And yeah, and soon I will be getting my allure box sometime next week, so watch out for that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed and you want to keep watching my videos, hit that little red button down below. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.